Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to disable OneDrive Windows 11 quickly and take full control of your storage. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Click the Show Hidden Icons arrow at the bottom right of your screen. This shows background apps, including OneDrive. Step 2. Click the OneDrive icon to open its panel, where you can manage files and settings. Step 3. Click the gear icon at the top right to access OneDrive settings. Step 4. Click Settings to open the settings window with tabs for sync and backups. Step 5. Go to the Sync and Backup tab, where you control folder backups. Step 6. Turn off the sync and backup options to stop OneDrive from syncing files. Step 7. Click Manage Backup and turn off any active backups to fully stop syncing. Method 2. Step 1. In Settings, click the Account tab to see your linked Microsoft account. Step 2. Click Unlink this PC to disconnect your computer from OneDrive. Step 3. Click Unlink Account to confirm and disable OneDrive completely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.